Good day, ma'am. My name is John Ray Dumusmog. Our topic for today is all about the nano world and gene therapy technology and society. Nano, the terms nano refers to a unit means 1 billion or 10 raised to negative 9. For example, a nanometer is 1 billion of a meter, hence nano expresses a very tiny amount of size. Nanotechnology refers to manipulation of matters on an atomic or subatomic scale. Some innovation developed in this field include microprocessor and stain resistance fabrics. Technology. Lifestyle had greatly benefits for technology. Medicine is one example for scientific and technological innovation that made breaking through in the area of human health. Before aspirin was ever understood at the nano level, it had been known for its effect. Pain of various forms could be relieved and softened by this medicine. Aspirin was already an old technology at the beginning of the 21st century.
Type of gene therapy. Somatic cell gene therapy. Therapeutic genes are transferred into any cell other than gametes, sperm or egg cells. These modifications affect only the individual patient and are not inherited by offspring. Germline gene therapy. Germ cells are modified by introducing functional genes into their genomes. This causes all of the organism cells to contain the modified gene, which is then passed on to later generations. Gene therapy is a medical approach that aims to treat or prevent diseases by modifying a person's genetic makeup. It involves altering genes inside the body's cells to treat a variety of genetic disorders.